Ready to turn website visitors into loyal customers by showcasing your glowing Google reviews directly on your site. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you have Elementor installed and activated. This tutorial assumes you already have a basic understanding of Elementor. Now, navigate to Plugins, then click at New in the search bar. Type Google Reviews Widget. Look for the Google Reviews Widget plugin by Rich Plugins. It's usually one of the top results and has good ratings. Click Install now, then activate the plugin once the installation is complete. Next, open the page in Elementor where you want to display your Google reviews. You can edit an existing page or create a new one. In the Elementor editor, on the left-hand side, you'll find the Elementor Widgets panel. Search for Google Reviews or Google Reviews Widget. Drag the Google Reviews widget and drop it into the desired section on your page. Now, you'll need your Google Place ID. This is a unique identifier for your business on Google Maps. You can usually find this by searching for your business on Google Maps and looking at the URL, or you can do a Google search to find your Google Place ID. Paste your Place ID into the designated field. In the widget settings, customize the widget to your liking. You can adjust the number of reviews displayed, choose the order they appear in, and select a theme that matches your website's design. Once you're happy with the appearance, click Update to save your changes. Now your website will display your Google reviews, boosting your credibility and attracting more customers. Enjoy.